Think you can make $30,000 in a day? Most people can't. It's a sum that seems almost impossible to achieve in such a short time frame, but for a select few in the world of cybersecurity, this is not just a dream or a wild fantasy, it's a reality they live and breathe every day. These individuals have honed their skills to perfection. These are the ethical hackers, the unsung heroes of the digital age. They are the digital detectives who use their skills to find and report vulnerabilities in systems, ensuring our data remains safe. They're the good guys and gals of the hacking world, tirelessly working behind the scenes. And their work is more important than ever in our increasingly digital world. I've spent my life on both sides of the digital divide. I know what it's like to be on the other side. I was once a wanted hacker hunted by the FBI. It was a life filled with constant fear and adrenaline. Now I use my knowledge to help companies secure their systems, turning my past into a force for good. So, when I heard about these ethical hackers raking in big bucks, I was intrigued. Could it really be done? Could I pull it off? Could I step back into that world and make a difference? I decided to find out. I wanted to see if I still had the skills and the mindset. My goal wasn't just to make money, but to understand the mindset and the methods of these modern-day cyber sleuths. I wanted to dive deep into their world. It was time to dust off my hacking skills and see if I still had what it took. The challenge was set, and I was ready to take it on. The ethical hacking world is built on a simple premise: find a flaw, report it, get rewarded. This concept has revolutionized the cybersecurity landscape, turning what was once a clandestine activity into a legitimate and highly respected profession. Companies are increasingly relying on bug bounty programs to identify and fix vulnerabilities in their software and systems. These programs have become a crucial part of their security strategy, allowing them to leverage the skills of a global community of ethical hackers. These programs offer cash prizes to anyone who can find and report security flaws. The rewards can range from a few $100s for minor issues to substantial sums for critical vulnerabilities. The bigger the flaw, the bigger the bounty. This creates a competitive environment where hackers are constantly honing their skills to find the most significant vulnerabilities. Some companies even offer bounties of up to $1 million for critical vulnerabilities. These high-stakes rewards attract top talent from around the world, ensuring that the best minds are working to secure our digital infrastructure. It's a high-stakes game, but one that can be incredibly lucrative for those with the right skills. The thrill of the hunt and the potential for significant financial gain make bug bounty hunting an exciting career choice. These programs aren't just about making money though, they also provide recognition and a sense of accomplishment for ethical hackers who are passionate about cybersecurity. They're about making the internet a safer place. By identifying and reporting vulnerabilities, ethical hackers play a crucial role in protecting sensitive information and maintaining trust in digital systems. By incentivizing ethical hackers to find and report vulnerabilities, companies can fix them before they can be exploited by malicious actors. This proactive approach to cybersecurity helps prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Ethical hackers get rewarded for their skills, companies enhance their security, and the internet becomes a safer place for all users. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools to find vulnerabilities. Some of the most popular include Nmap. This powerful network scanner can be used to identify hosts and services on a network, as well as the operating systems and applications they're running. Wireshark. This network protocol analyzer allows hackers to capture and analyze network traffic, giving them a deep understanding of how systems communicate with each other. Metasploit. This penetration testing framework provides a library of exploits that can be used to test the security of systems. These are just a few of the many tools that ethical hackers have at their disposal. Mastering these tools is essential for anyone who wants to make a name for themselves in the world of bug bounty hunting. Section 4. My foray into the ethical hacking frontier. Armed with my knowledge and a fresh install of Kali Linux, I set out to see if I could earn my own bug bounty. Kali Linux, a powerful tool for ethical hackers, was my gateway into the world of cybersecurity. I was eager to test my skills and see if I could uncover any vulnerabilities. I spent hours poring over target websites, looking for any sign of weakness. Each website presented a new challenge, a new puzzle to solve. I meticulously examined every element from the HTML code to the JavaScript functions, hoping to find a flaw. I ran Nmap scans, analyzed network traffic with Wireshark, and even tried my hand at crafting some exploits with Metasploit. These tools were essential in my quest, each providing a different perspective on the security landscape of my targets. The work was tedious but also exhilarating. Late nights and long hours became the norm, but the thrill of the hunt kept me going. Every small discovery felt like a victory, pushing me to dig deeper. Every line of code, every packet of data, held the potential to reveal a critical vulnerability. The more I learned, the more I realized how intricate and complex cybersecurity truly is. It was a constant learning process, and I was hooked. After days of searching, I finally found it, a cross-site scripting vulnerability on a popular e-commerce website. The moment of discovery was electrifying. I knew I had found something significant, something that could potentially be exploited by malicious hackers. It wasn't a million-dollar bug, but it was still a valid vulnerability. I documented my findings meticulously, ensuring that every detail was captured. This was crucial for the next step. I reported it through the company's bug bounty program, and within a few weeks I received a notification. My report had been accepted, and I was being awarded a bounty of $500. It was a rewarding experience, both financially and personally, validating my efforts and skills in the field of ethical hacking. Section 5. The allure and importance of ethical hacking. My experience, though modest compared to the $30,000 payday I was initially chasing, gave me a newfound appreciation for the world of ethical hacking. It's a challenging field, requiring both technical skill and a creative mind, but it's also a rewarding one, both financially and in terms of the impact it can have. Ethical hackers are the unsung heroes of the digital age. They are the ones who keep our data safe and our systems secure. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, their role will only become more important, and who knows, maybe one day I'll even hit that $30,000 jackpot myself.